This is what it's like to be inside a 7-second R35. Also went in a 950 horsepower S15 and a 1900 horsepower twin turbo R8. I'll be asking the owners about their cars.
What made you get into racing and all that?
And showing you what it's like to be inside as they race.
I was stupid. Love speed, I suppose.
Man, I love R35s, bro. I love them. These guys are sick.
My name's Yanni.
Tell us a bit about your car. We know it's from Croydon.
Pretty much done everything. It's a 4.3 billet block, fully built gears. What it's made on the dyno so far, 45 pounds was 1760. There is more in it, there's heaps more, but it's the first time here. We're just kind of seeing what it's going to do.
You told me before this is the fastest 35 in Australia?
Yeah, it's the fastest street registered R35 in Australia. It ran a 7.6 at 187.
Wow, 7.6.
Yeah.
So you take this more drag racing, right?
Yeah, so that's what I was doing the last year, but yeah, now I want to come roll racing.
Are you still planning to go more drag racing, or you're just counting that out and just starting to do
Nah, look, I never counted out, but definitely for now, yeah.
Yeah, give it a bit of a break.
Yeah, a bit of a break.
So how much did you say that the BMW that we're racing is making?
Probably like 270 kilowatt at the wheel.
In other words, we're pumping him.
Yeah.
Bro, I'll tell you what, that's probably worse than the Lambo and like RHM and everyone. Like that, the pull of it is just, I did not expect that. And you didn't even go the whole way, you just let go. That's so good, bro. That was a good run. I felt that, yeah. How much was that on? Did you go third or not?
I think we got it to fourth.
Yeah. That sounds beautiful. Everyone started to do the twirlies and warming up the tyres like the F1 drivers.
Only you can do a burnout to warm them up.
Oh, bro, that would be the best. With Nick in his S15 or Skyline, whatever you want to call it. So what have you done to this car?
It's got a 2.8.
Yeah.
Full head as well. It's got a PPG log box. Full GDR rear end, 6-bolt billet shaft. Makes 950 on 36 pounds. We're running it at 700 tonight. Don't have Mickey's on. So.
Taking it easy on me. Taking it easy. How long have you had this car for?
This exact car I've had 7 years now. Third white S15.
Yeah.
And definitely my favourite, 100%.
And you've just upgraded power recently, hey?
Yeah. Just finished getting built, I think 3 months ago, 3 months ago. So fresh
Are you
built.
planning on are you ever planning on going more?
So the goal is all drive sequential.
That's it. I think that'll be I think it'll be a beast, bro.
Yeah, that's the goal.
Alright guys, 950 horsepower S15 versus a BMW. Let's go. Oh yes, you got him. I'm pretty sure you got him. No. You still got him, I think.
Fucking
Nah.
Straight out.
I hope it's not leaking though.
Sequential time.
That's it. Alright, this is an excuse to get sequential.
Everything happens for a reason.
That's it, bro. Everything happens for a reason. Hey, how do I open this? Sorry, bro. I'm too broke. Thanks, bro. I'll never understand opening these. I couldn't even open Tony's one as well.
If the AC's not on, we don't race. That's the problem.
Oh, no way. Why's that?
Just blows hot air into the intercooler.
Oh, yeah. Tony told me something about that.
We're on.
My first time in an R8.
Oh, really?
How much power is this running?
Right now, probably about 1400.
1400.
It's about 1400 now, and I've got one more map to go.
Yeah. Is this the lowest you start on?
Yeah, because I haven't driven it for 6 months.
How much is it capable of?
Maxed out, only on the drag strip I'd take it,
Yeah.
probably about 1900.
What else have you done to this car?
It's a stage 4 PR package. It makes about 1900 horsepower. You know, for roll race we ran around 14 to 1500, but yeah, capable for 1900. That's one day when I take it to the track.
So how long have you had this car for?
I've had it for about 2 to 3 years, and it's got just every mod that you can put on an R8, so it's got all the options.
What made you get into racing and all that?
I was stupid. Love speed, I suppose.
Jeez. Bro, I don't know why the pool in these things just...
Just like that, all over.
Was that the lowest setting?
That was map 4, I got map 5. I just called Aaron, he goes, well, just turn it up,
Yeah.
a couple more races, so see what it feels like.
I've been in 1000 horsepower like Evos and all that stuff, but I don't know, like when I hopped in your R8 and Tony's Lambo, just the pool, like it's just constant, and my body doesn't know how to react to it. It's
You're
like
right, I'm thinking you're taking a video or what?
I couldn't speak. I don't know why. No, it's crazy. It's just different experience with these cars. So that was the R8 we were in. The pool on that was like so much more different.